In Creo 11, the project feature is enhanced to support sketched points as references. That enables you to easily project multiple points in a single operation. When the Sketch option is selected within Project, a new checkbox labeled Project Points is offered. Check it if you want to project points contained in the sketch to the selected target surfaces, in addition to sketched curves that might be present in the sketch. Construction points are ignored, as well as construction curves. The resulting feature points can then be used as location references in a Spot Weld feature or in a point-based pattern, where the From Feature option supports referencing the project feature that contains projected points. This allows for a faster and more flexible definition of multiple projected point references as inputs to repetitive features such as pattern or Spot Weld.